Hello my lovely Misfitans and welcome back to another video. We have a guest today. Pepper has decided to grace us with her presence. She wanted to sit in the chair today, so we're gonna go with it. I don't know how long she'll stay there, but anyway, as most of you know, the Fox tutorial thing is nearly done. So yesterday was the witch's hat tutorial. Next week is going to be a bonus video on how to create a jack-o'-lantern, and then after that is going to be a time-lapse painting, and then I'm going to take some time off and we'll see when I come back. But I need your input for a very, very, very important topic. I am planning basically the next lesson that I'm going to do. So I'm going to ask again, now that I've done the entire Fox series, I'm going to ask once again, would y'all want me to do another animal, or do you want me to do the moon tutorial? I've been playing around with the moon tutorial and kind of figuring it out, but I think based on what I'm looking at with my schedule, I'm not going to be able to get that done until January. I'm most likely not going to be able to get the next animal thing done until January either. I have a couple of ideas of videos that I'm going to do in November and possibly December, just as kind of fillers while I work on the next big kind of tutorial thing. And I'm planning on releasing a very large course sometime in November that's going to be dealing with masking fluid. So that's kind of what's coming up. So based on schedule wise, the best time for the next longer series to come out would be January. However, don't lick that, honey. Do y'all want the moon, or do you want me to do an animal with like holiday related stuff? So I could do stuff related to maybe Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day in the next coming tutorial. So what I want you to do in the comments down below is, if you want the moon tutorial in January, I want you to put an emoji of a moon. If you want an animal, I want you to either put an emoji of the animal that you want, or I want you to write the name of the animal that you would like for me to do. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically choose from those animals 4. And then I will have y'all vote on an animal tutorial. Yes, I know, life is so hard. I'm going to have y'all vote on an animal tutorial in the future. So I'm definitely going to be doing an animal tutorial in the future, but my main thing is I'm trying to figure out, should I skip the moon tutorial and just go straight into the animal, or should I go ahead and do the moon tutorial? If I do the moon tutorial, it's most likely just going to be a one-off video, and that's it. I'm not going to do a full series around it or anything like that. It's just going to be the moon teaching tutorial. If I do the animal, I'm going to do similar to what I did this time, where I do the tip and then I kind of like walk you through the process, as well as give you everything that you would need inside of Watercolor Misfit land for tracing and drawing and all that other stuff. So please leave your comments down below. Don't say both. If you want the moon, put the moon. If you want an animal, put an animal. Because basically I'm going to use this week to decide what I'm doing next. And then next week I'm going to have y'all vote on an animal. And that will be either coming in January, or I'm going to push it further into the spring. So we will be doing both if y'all really want the moon. But if you don't, I'm going to skip it and then just go straight to the next animal. So anyway, please leave your comments down below. I'm going to make this video short so that you can respond down below and I can get feedback. Anyway, lots of love, y'all. Hope you're having a fantastic week, and I will talk to you soon. Hopefully next week we'll have voting for the next animal. Anyway, lots of love. Bye.